woman cannot destroy you, but your desire for woman can. My message is about temptation. Actually, yung temptation is everywhere. But if you yield sa temptation, yun yung problema. If you're based on Bible, isang tao lang yung ata nakatakas nito eh. Si Joseph, tinempt siya ng wife ni Potiphar ba yun? Pero ang ginawa niya, tumakbo siya. Tumakbo lang siya. Yun lang ginawa niya. Kasi a lot of characters in the Bible, known characters in the Bible like David, his son Solomon, wala. They fail. But ang kagandahan na kay David, he repented. Karamihan kasi sa mga lalaki, pag nahuli na, ayaw talagang umamin. Kay David, umamin siya. Ito yung pamamaraan ni Satanas talaga eh. Woman cannot destroy you, but your desire for woman can. Flee. But there are times and circumstances sa buhay natin na mahirap mag-flee. But if you feel with the Holy Spirit, kasi contradicted kasi yung flesh tsaka yung Holy Spirit. Yung Spirit contradicted yan eh. But if you're filled with your flesh, sigurado. Wala tayo dyan kawala guys. Okay, but if you're filled with the Holy Spirit, sigurado, walang kawala yung demonyo.